souls, hope you all are doing great. If you like my videos, like my channel, please like, share, subscribe and comment and click on the bell icon so that you get notified of all my future videos. Coming to today's topic, it is about pendulum readings. So we shall be covering again the most commonly asked questions, do's and don'ts, who can see pendulum readings, what to ask, what not to ask, and how we actually provide the readings. That is our mode and what are the things you need to know when you book session with us, right? So prerequisites, do's and don'ts. We require your name, your full name, your date of birth, date, month and year, and your current location. That's all, along with your questions, right? And what kind of questions you can ask? You can ask yes or no or probability questions, like what will that happen, or should I do this, or like yes or no questions basically. And it can be about anything. But yes, we do not do lottery questions. Am I going to win a lottery? No, we do not do that. And another one is we do not do death questions. Am I going to die? Or is this person going to die? We do not do that. We do selective medical questions and we do selective legal questions. Not all the questions, like am I going to jail? I cannot do that. I personally don't do these readings with due respect to everyone. This is my personal thing. I do not do such kind of legal questions. And medical questions like, am I having a serious illness? No. If you have just little very common medical questions, again as I said, it is selective, so you can ask those questions. And how would you receive answers? You will receive answers in terms of probability. Like let's say, will I be successful in my interview tomorrow or next month, whatever the time is. So I will tell you that yes, there are 70% chances of you being successful in your interview. So this percentage probability is more like, okay, there are 70% positive energies, still there is 30% of blockages which you need to work upon. But even if, let's say, even if you don't work upon those blockages and you maintain this energy, then of course you'll be successful because it's more than 50%, right? But yes, you can also, there's always a scope for improvement. But let's say it is like, oh, there is only 20% chance of you being successful and 80% no. That means, again, as we have discussed in tarot, it means you need to change your energies using your free will. Readings always have to be taken as guidance. They are guidance tools for you. So if it is coming as 20% positive and 80% negative, that means you need to work on your energies. You need to clear the blocks and change the energies so that outcome changes. And with the percentage, like it is like it can give you a motivation also. If you tell in percentage, if I say that there is 20% chance and you can, of course there's a scope of changing it, then you will feel motivated, right? That okay, currently there is 20% chance, I can increase it further. Also the chances, it is very accurate, like it gives with exact accuracy and precision that okay, this is the percentage of my negative energy versus positive energy. So it will be very good for you if you want to have a specific thing in your life, or not to have a specific thing in your life, or a guidance in your life, right? And yes, similar to tarot and runes, basically the psychic readings, please do not ask long-term future things, for the same reason as I've explained in tarot, that energies are subject to change. These divination tools pick up on your beliefs and your energies, which are because of your belief systems, your experiences, and then they predict the future, right? This is why you can change your energies anytime, right? So if you ask what will happen, will I buy a house after 10 years? So of course it will predict that, but there can be chances of inaccuracy, right? Because in 10 years you'll have different experiences, you might have different beliefs. So if that is the case, then readings will change, right? So it is always good, chances of accuracies increase when time frame is near. Also you can ask about past, present, future, anything, right? So if you ask what will I purchase a house next month, that will give you answers with 99.99% accuracy. But if you ask what will happen 10 years, will I buy a house 10 years down the line, then its chances of accuracy is only 95%. Although 95% is not less, but of course it is less compared to that 99.99%, right? I hope you are understanding what I'm trying to say. Also, you might ask, why is it not guaranteed? It is not guaranteed because you always have the gift of free will. You can change your destiny, you can change your outcome at any point of time, right? So this is why, let's say Because, and yes, you have free will. Because let's say if you ask, I have an interview tomorrow, will I be successful in that? It shows a big yes. Yes, you'll be successful. But then tomorrow you just choose not to appear for the interview. Then of course predictions will be proven wrong because you have used your free will and decided not to go to the interview, not to appear for the interview. Free will is nothing but our choices and decisions which we make, right? So these divination tools pick up on the energies that yes, if you go, of course you'll be successful, but you have to go, right? So this is the thing, you know. And the modes which we provide reading, we have 4 modes similar to tarot: audio record, video record, audio call, video call. For audio record or video record, you have to send us your questions along with your details first. In audio record, we shall send you answers in audio recorded format within the decided time. I will give you a time frame by which we shall send you the answers. In video record, of course, we shall show, like you will just see it on your screen, like how we are doing the pendulum readings, how it is swinging, and then you can see everything. Of course, it will be in recorded format. Then coming to audio call, video call, of course, for that we will schedule the session and you can give your details and details of the concerned people, of course, along with the questions then and there during the session, and then we shall do the readings. In audio call, of course, it will be through audio call. In video call, you will be on live video call, plus you can see the things happening like pendulum swinging and we asking the questions, right? And yeah, so this is how we do the things. If you have any questions, any further queries or doubts regarding this, feel free to ask, and I shall be more than happy to help you with answers. And we shall meet again with the next video. Till then, take care, stay blessed.